Welcome, and thank you for your interest in products from WoodAirGrille.com. In this video, we're going to show you the complete installation of a wood return air filter grill, including the removal of the old grill, in just 6 minutes. We're going to start by removing the old grill. This particular grill is secured to the wall with 4 Phillips head screws, so we're just going to use a powered screwdriver to remove those. A hand screwdriver would do just fine. Other tools we'll be using are a power nailer loaded with 16 gauge 2-inch finish nails. If you don't happen to have a power nailer, a hammer with 2-inch finish nails and a nail set will work just as well. We'll also be using a level. With the old grill removed, we're simply going to place the new grill into the rough opening, check it for level, and secure it with the 2-inch nails using the power nailer. If you happen to be hand nailing, you simply take the finish nail, drive it into the frame, and countersink it with the nail set so the head is below the surface of the grill. At this point, and in under 2 minutes, the grill is essentially installed, and all that's left to do is touch up the nail holes. You'll want to check that the door closes securely. If there's any major bows in the wall, you'll want to use some shims to ensure that you don't twist the frame away from the door, causing it not to close properly. There are many ways to touch up nail holes and trim work. Our grill has been painted white, so we'll be using a white fill stick. We're also going to be using a lighter, a utility knife, a plastic blade or plastic putty knife, and a rag. In this particular method, we'll start by warming the fill stick with the lighter. We just want to soften it a bit. Then we're going to slice off a small wedge with the utility knife and roll it between our fingers into a cone shape. We'll press the filler into the hole and scrape away the excess with the plastic putty knife or straight edge. A credit card works good for this as well. Then we can wipe away any remaining residue with the rag, and the hole is now filled. In this home, the filter is located behind the return grill. In many homes, the filter is located at the furnace, and therefore you do not need a return grill with the ability to open and change the filter. For these homes, we also offer a panel-only version, and the installation procedure is the same. To measure for a return air filter grill, you'll either just need to know your filter size, or if that's not available, measure your rough opening and use the chart on the website to determine what size grill you need. You will want to have 2 1/4 inches clearance around all 4 sides in order to install the grill. If you don't have that much clearance, don't worry. Call us at 888-400-3187 and one of our representatives will be happy to talk to you about making some adjustments to help with those tight clearances. If you're ordering a panel-only grill, just measure your rough opening and use the helpful chart on our website to determine the correct size. All grills from WoodAirGrille.com are made of stain grade material and are shipped ready for your favorite paint or stain. Our filter housings are pre-installed and grills are shipped fully assembled and ready for installation. Shipping is free, and our grills typically ship in 1 week or less. There is no exposed hardware with our grills, so you do not need to worry about matching hardware colors. Our hinges are fully concealed and open to nearly 180 degrees. Grills are held securely closed with a pair of 7-pound magnets, making them suitable for ceiling use as well as walls. Remember, all grills from WoodAirGrille.com are backed with a 100% money-back guarantee. You can return your grill within 90 days for absolutely any reason, even if you just measured wrong, and receive a full refund. The installation of our wood return air filter grill is now complete, and in under 6 minutes. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, and visit us at WoodAirGrille.com.